the quality of the life is represent what the technology takes from us.
We did not know how we can survive if we get lost in the woods, in the forest.
Feel how far we are living from nature.
I mean, all of us living in big cities.
We are losing our habit of their ancestors who used to live in the nature.
We did not even think about that.
Fixing these broken relations between nature and human.
We have to go back to nature to learn their culture again.
When the plane crashed,
Yes.
the pigs were around us. There was a lot of fire. There was animals trying to eat us, trying to follow us.
The main purpose of this project was gathering people from different countries to create an atmosphere to discover nature.
And we were trying to create some challenge in the training, but it wasn't necessary anymore because nature was serving so many challenges for us. So we were facing the real ones.
Now I know how to make a fire by myself. Now I know how to make a shelter without any other stuff except a knife. And really, I'm amazed how much I can do with only these two hands.
Şu anda 35 kişi bizi izliyor ama biz saçmalıyoruz burada. Farkındayım. O zaman sana şaplak. Topukların nokta nokta bas gelin, bas gelin.
One, two, three.
They do it the same way. The same way, so
One, two, three, four, five. Building a partnership and friendship for the future activities, maybe.
It's the moment when you can see how you think, how you feel, how you react to other people's personality.
Tomorrow I will get up and I will not see these mountains, and I will not be able to hug these people.
to help each other, to maybe to find some of our
hidden power maybe.
Learn so many things about you, about yourself, about your soul, about your mind.
Socializing, having fun together, helping each other for developing better. I really love nature, and I believe that the nature is a very good place to have motivation to learn something and discover something by yourself and feeling better.
Nature is being so much patient with humankind. If we can try harder to be patient with nature and try to understand and respect her, the relationship between her and us will definitely be so creative.